Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips.
Reducing belly fat after 1 week of having a flat belly. Just take 1 cup of ginger juice and honey. When we are trying to lose weight, it is good to start the day on a healthy note, and one of the best ways is with a fruit juice that provides the essential vitamins for good health cleansing treatment, and one that helps to raise metabolism to aid fat burning throughout the day. This juice does all of this with ease. The ingredients contains digestive enzymes that help you to lose weight. This juice is also excellent to boost the immune system and help to ward off, or fight off, colds and flu. Here's how to make this simple weight loss drink. Materials to prepare. The first is a fresh ginger. The second is 2 tablespoons of honey. Third is 1 cup of hot water, 250 milliliters. Here are 3 ingredients to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. Ginger you wash with water. You use a clean knife to peel the outside and use knife to cut the ginger into small fibers. Ginger is one such ingredient which is available everywhere. It is mainly used in culinary as it helps in digestion and is a great ingredient to aid proper digestion. Ginger has got lots of benefits. It helps in proper digestion and therefore helps in preventing constipation. It is mainly used in cooking and a common kitchen ingredient for various recipes. It helps in treating nausea and morning sickness. Ginger can be eaten raw or powdered and has various medicinal benefits. Ginger is commonly used to treat cold and cough. It helps in reducing blood sugar levels. It helps in lowering cholesterol levels. Since ginger aids in digestion and lowers cholesterol levels, this is the perfect ingredient to use in a weight loss drink. Ginger is also beneficial in controlling hunger pangs, and if hunger increases we tend to overeat, thus increasing our weight. Ginger helps and prevents us from overeating, and it aids in proper digestion. After the ginger is chopped, put ginger in a glass of prepared water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey to a cup of water. Finally, you can use it with a spoon. Honey to trigger metabolic changes that ensure you won't succumb to diet-busting sugar cravings, and mean you even burn fat while you sleep. There's no calorie counting, no expensive diet foods, no draconian starvation plan, and you can easily lose up to 3 pounds a week. Honey does have many healthful properties. For starters, honey is an antimicrobial agent when used topically. This means that it can prevent bacterial infection, because of its thickness, low pH, and the hydrogen peroxide produced by its enzymes. In fact, research shows that it is highly effective at treating wound infections. It's also good for treating burns, and is as effective a cough suppressant as some over-the-counter medications. Ginger water, if tried, works well for losing weight, and along with ginger, lemon and honey, which are powerful ingredients in aiding weight loss too, have been added to make it a powerful drink. This drink can be used twice a day before or after meals. Do not consume this drink with major health issues, and if you would like to, then do consult a doctor before trying. Always add honey and lemon once the ginger water has turned lukewarm. Ginger is added since it increases the temperature of our body and helps in burning fat fast. Losing weight isn't very easy, but even small healthy habits can go a long way in making your weight loss journey a little bit quick and easy. You should create a reasonable diet and actively exercise sports to enhance your health and accelerate your weight loss process. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you success. If you find your video useful, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click the subscribe channel and the notification bell to update your weight loss tips every